Everybody, I'm the Miniac, and today I have a fantastic little vehicle here. This is a 2013 MINI GP2. So here it is. This is the 2013 John Cooper Works GP2, and the owner of this car has done some crazy stuff to it. Some new wheels, the big 6-piston brakes from the 135 BMW, that fantastic GP2 wing, Quicksilver exhaust, and the M7 decal indicates there's been some serious stuff done to this car. Now it has a Stage 2 Miniac tuning kit in it. Has the Recaro seats that came with this car, the cool red seat belts, the red leather stitched steering wheel. But the shifter is the craziest thing ever, and I'll show you that in just a second. I'm gonna have someone drive the car for me so you can see how this shifter works. Okay everyone, so this is a CAE Ultra Shifter. And as you can see, it's an incredibly tall shifter here that was custom fitted into the car. They had to cut the cup holders out, move the switches. But I have a tamed racing driver in here who's going to put this car through its paces so you can see how this shifter works, because it's pretty impressive. And it being so tall, it's actually much easier to shift, and the shifts are more crisp. Really cool system. And I'm going to let the driver do his stuff. Wow. Well, if you had seen the look on my face, it was a look of horror and joy at the same exact time. Life flashing before your eyes as you're hauling down the highway. Anyway, I think the police are coming, so we're gonna get back to this dealership. Under the hood, we have an M7 heat shield for the turbo, M7 intake, M7 hoses, M7 catch can, this GP2 strut tower brace, Samco hoses here and there, some hoses down here. This has been done up really well, and as the license plate indicates, yes, it has 300 horsepower. This is a beast of a car. I love this. If I ever had the money to do it, I would own one of these and have one in my driveway. This is the first time I've ever had a chance to show you all a GP2, and this one's been done up really well, and it looks fantastic. I didn't even see this in the back. There's the rear strut brace. That is awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna hand this car back off to its owner. I hope you all enjoyed this little video, and as always, life is too short to drive a boring car, so drive a Mini. I'll see you all later.